council will, if it cannot solve this problem within this year, cannot take proper steps to solve this issue, then the council will be replaced. All these councillors, I will put them out and have go for new councillors. The chief officer will be removed. No, Sagal clear. If they can't do it, they might as well go home. I am very clear in this. This is the issue that has to be solved. If we can't solve it, then we have to find people who will solve it. This guy was brought here to solve some endemic issues. हो बोलतोच खंयच्यो वायरी काडटा आनी काडटा तुका हाडिल्लो गार्बेज पयलीं क्लियर करपाक आनी रेवेन्यू कलेक्ट करपाक तूं जायना तुकाय घरा धाडटा क्लियर सांगता सारकी सगळ्यां उचीत गुजरातीच कोण आयिल्लो हाका दिल्ले हांवें दुसरे दिसा आय हॅव गॉन टू रेज अ टोस्ट इन ग्रीन अमेज बस नासलो आतां तुमी करतात तें तुमी न्हिदले कितें टेम्पररी तूं न्हिदता तुमी करा तुमी युजलेस म्युन्सिपालिटी आमी एक सेल घालचें पडलें तुमचे तकले हांव आय एम युअर क्लर्क एंड यू आर माय बॉस आय शूड नॉट बी रिमाइंडिंग यू यू हॅव गिवन अ सोल्युशन बाय इट मरे